Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important concept which is rule of 1111 up to 9 times and its square. It means a square of a number which is formed by writing 1 n times, and this n has the maximum value up to 9. Okay. Suppose we are writing 1. Okay. The square of 1 is 1 only. What is this? 1. When we write 1 2 times, when we write 1 2 times, and its square is what? Okay. How to find its square? See here. Then 1 is written 2 times. Okay. So do counting up to 2 and then decrease the counting up to 1. We will get the result. What is the total number of 1 in this number? 2. 2 times 1 is written. We can write this 1 2. Okay. The counting is up to 2. Now minimize, decrease this counting from maximum to 1. 1 2 and then decrease from 2 to 1. We will get 1. 1 2 1 is the square of 1 square, means 11 square. When we write 1 3 times, the square of this number is 1. We will do the counting up to 3 because 1 is written thrice. 1 2 and 3. After 3, decrease the counting. 3 2 1. Okay. Next, when we write 1 4 times and we have to find the square of this number 1111, we will write what? 1 is written 4 times. Write the counting up to 4. 1 2 3 4. Now decrease the counting up to 1 from maximum 4. Okay. 4 के बाद 3 2 1. When we write 1 5 times, 1 5 times, and its square is what? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Maximum 5. Now decrease to 1. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay. Write 1 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5. 6 times. Okay. 6 times 1 ka square is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now decrease 6 to from 6 to 1. 5 4 3 2 1 is the square of this number. Okay. We can similarly find the square of the number which is formed by writing 1 up to 9 times. Now see what type of questions are asked in previous year of CSAT. See, the question was asked, each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1 and it is multiplied by itself. Now see here, when any number x is multiplied by itself, means x into x, this will become x square. And that number, 9-digit number, is formed by writing 1 only. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. Okay. Now write 1 up to 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. 9. It is multiplied by itself. It means it becomes its square. It becomes its square. Okay. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? Whatever is the result of this number, whatever is the square of 1 1 1 1 1 up to 9 times. Okay. The sum of digits of that result is what? This is the question. We can find the value of this. This 1 is written 9 times. Now we can write the square of this because we will write the counting from 1 to 9. Okay. The result is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now decrease this counting up to 1. 9 के बाद 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is the result. Okay. Now see, the sum of the digits of this number is what? This is the question. Add this. See here, the sum of this part and the sum of this part will be the same because this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. This is also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Up to this part and this part. This part and this part is same. Their sum will be same. Add this part. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15 plus 6 21 plus 7 28 and plus 8 is what? 36. If this part is 36, then this is also 36 and here 9 is remaining. 9 is here. When we add this, we will get the result 81. The sum of digits of the result of the square of 111 up to 9 times is 81. 81 is the correct answer, and this question was asked in CSAT 2023. Okay. The next question based on this concept was asked in 2025. Now see here. Question is, if n square is this, reverse is asked here. See here, this is n square is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. फिर 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is given. It is what? It is 1 1 1 1 up to 9 times का square है ये. Okay. Now see, we can write this. N square is this. And this value is nothing. It is written 9 times. How many times? 9 times. Means n square is 1 1 1 1 1 1 9 times. This is the maximum value 9. It means 1 is written 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 का square. How many digits does the number n have? N have how many digits? This is n square. When we have to find n, okay, n is nothing. When we do a square root both side, the square will be cancelled out. N equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. This is the n. How many digits is there? See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 digits are there. And see, this is the maximum value. Up to 9 is what? Maximum. Maximum 9 times 1 is written in that number n. Okay, 9 is the number of digits in n. Okay.